Welcome back to PrognoCIS. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to post an employer payment. We're starting out on the PrognoCIS Billing side, and we're going to go up to Remittances, Other Payment, and then Employer. We're going to click the Add New button to add a new payment. Here is the receipt of the payment. We're going to pick that it's from a employer or a TPA. So we're choosing employer today. And we're going to say that it's from Aero Department. Now we can come over here and we can put in the check details. Or if it's credit card, we can put in the credit card details. So I'm just going to say that it's a check for today. And I'm going to give the date of the check. And then if we have the bank, we can also put the bank that is written on. That is not required. Then you want to put the total amount of the check here. So we're going to say that it's $635. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to save the check. Once the check is saved, I now can select invoices or I can select claims. So here I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select 3 invoices. Okay, so we want to pick the top 3 invoices. And then I'm going to say okay. And those invoices will come over here just like they were billed out, and some of that money automatically gets allocated. Now I also want to pick maybe a claim that was left over from last invoice. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to choose that claim. And then that money gets allocated as well. So I can choose the full invoice or I can choose individual people on the claim. Once all my money has been allocated, I'm going to hit ready to post and save. And now you can see that my check is posted. That's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and have a great day.